So today we are going to talk about books that made me really cry. So here we have the books and यहाँ पे we have like different kind of tier ranking. First one is Cried Like Baby. Like I will consider कि मैंने मतलब बहुत ही इस पे सोचा and बहुत टाइम लगा प्रोसेस करने के लिए बुक के बारे में. Then we have decided this kind of category and to make it little bit of funny as well. Second category Tears in Eyes. I mean kind of you felt कि okay, there are few scenes where you cried a little bit but not that much जितना इस टायर में you will do. Third one is okay, like you get little bit of sad and feel but ऐसे आँखों में आंसू आए या ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें नहीं हुए. So that is the reason I have made it as okay and might feel later. So कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती है कि जहाँ पे उस टाइम पे you don't feel about that scene but because उससे तुम connect नहीं कर पाते. After the few years or few days you might feel about that scene. So that's the reason I have added might feel later. So let's start with one by one. The first book we have The Notebook. So we'll have read this notebook as well as I have watched the movie as well. And this book is good. I mean really the way they get separated and उन दोनों के बारे में बातें होती है तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें बिल्डअप करता है, उसका वेट करता है. द बेस्ट पार्ट आई रियलाइज उसका वेटिंग वाला जो पीरियड होता है जिसके पास पेशेंस होते हैं वेट करने के लिए. सो दैट इज़ समथिंग आई रियली लाइक. इस बुक पढ़ते स्टार्ट में तो मुझे कुछ फील नहीं हुआ था. सो मुझे लगा कि इसके बारे में बाद में फील होगा बट देन आई रियलाइज कि इट्स काइंड ऑफ ओके बुक. बट अल्टीमेटली एट द एंड ऑफ द बुक लाइक लास्ट के अराउंड कुछ 3-4 चैप्टर्स दैट आई रियलाइज कि थोड़े से आंसू आए थे आंखों में. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई एम कीपिंग इन टू द टीयर्स इन टू द आई. The next book is 30 Reasons Why. Well, if you have watched the movie, the series, then it's kind of good, intense, a lot of emotional baggage or lot of emotion that talk about this book. This book is also good, but I felt like this is okay. Obviously, the message and everything is really good, but I felt this is okay. The next one is To Kill the Mockingbird. There is no doubt this book goes into the might feel later. Obviously not. This book will go into the Cried Like a Baby or Tears in Eye. These out of these two or maybe more than the Notebook because the book is really intense. It covers a lot of emotions. So for me it was like Tears in Eye, not like Cried Like a Baby. The next one is All the Light We Cannot See. इसकी latest version और latest copy मेरे पास आ गई है. Well, to be honest, it could have been into the Cried Like Baby, but I was not able to connect with lot of events happening into the book. There are few instances where I felt कि this is a good book. This is really will help me to get out of the emotion, but I was not able to connect with lot of Nazi concentration camp and whatever happening there. So it felt like okay for me, and it can be might feel later because I have not read that much of that kind of a books. So it was like might feel later wala scene. The next one is Me Before You. Well, this is my most favorite book as well as the movie. How she operates, how she take care of him, how she understand him, how she work around it, work around that person and everything around that. This is so good book, but it's not like very intense book कि जहाँ पे I cried like a baby. I had tears in my eyes, so it could have gone into the tears in my eyes. So it will definitely go, and I felt more than Notebook. This book deserves a place, so this will go here. Next one is Blue Lights. अगर आपने ये book पढ़ी नहीं है, then definitely go and read this book. This initially I felt will go into the might feel later वाली, but I have read like almost 1 and 2 years back. But still this book hold really important. It's a story about a person जिसके life के बारे में है and बहुत ही intense book है. बहुत सारे emotions इसमें cover किए गए. At one time मुझे लग रहा था कि भाई मुझे book skip करनी चाहिए because इतने सारे emotions में एक साथ अंडरस्टैंड ही नहीं कर पा रहा था. इतने सारी चीज़ें एक साथ मुझे समझ नहीं पा रही थी. सो आई फेल्ट लाइक इनिशियली माइट लेटर, बट स्टार्ट में व्हेन द ऑलमोस्ट 20-30% ऑफ द बुक कंप्लीट हो गई, देन आंखों में आंसू आने शुरू हो गए बिकॉज दिस बुक गेट इंटेंस विथ एवरी पेज. And I literally cried like baby for this book. There is one story on the Instagram, you can go check out that. It's like I literally cried like a baby for this book. The next book is The Boy in the Striped Pajama. Well, the tagline it says that lines may divide us but hope may unite us वगैरह. Initially I had like मैंने जितने books Instagram में सुना था, this book is really make you cry, but I felt like this book is okay. इतना मुझे ज़्यादा emotional connect नहीं हुआ with this book. The next one is Kite Runner. It's like might feel later wala scene initially, but I read that and everyone knows that it is by default it will go to the Cry Like Baby. The Cry Turner, books about the friendship, books about union, books about dividation, a lot of things, lot of emotions you are going to feel in this book. And if you have not read that, then please go and read the book The Kite Runner. The next book is The Thousand Splendid Sun. Again great book, and I literally cried like a baby for this book as well, because it creates a lot of emotional things in your mind. And I will say if there is a competition between Kite Runner and the Thousand Splendid Sun, I will put into the same category, because both were that much of intense book and both were required a lot of emotional process and understanding about your emotional and awareness as well. The next one is the Fault in Our Stars, the well-known book. जिसपे movie भी है, even Hindi movie भी है, English movie भी है. And this book, if you are a teenager, if you are young age, you might not feel those kind of emotion at that time, but when you enter your adulthood, when you enter a little bit of 20-21, then you will start feeling about this book. You will realize कि क्या process होता है, क्या चीज़ें होती हैं. Initially when I read like in college days, I felt like okay, but when I read this book around 22-23 years when I was old, then it felt really, it helped me. और इसके पढ़ने के बाद like specifically chapter number 21, अगर आपको पता नहीं है chapter number 21 में क्या होता है, then comment down what happens into the chapter number 21 in the book of The Fault in Our Stars. So इसे पढ़ने के बाद definitely आंसू जरूर आए थे. The next book is Anna Frank, one of the great book. नाजी कंसंट्रेशन कैंप के बारे में इसमें बहुत सारा डिस्कशन होता है, एंड उसके अराउंड उसकी लाइफ कैसे रिवॉल्व होती है, वह कहाँ छुपने के लिए कहाँ पे जाती है, वो मॉम डैड के बारे में क्या सोचती है, हाउ शी यूज्ड टू रोट जर्नल वगैरह, उसके बारे में है. एंड इट्स रियली गुड बुक. आई मीन एक छोटी बच्चे की अंडरस्टैंडिंग इतना होना, इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट. सो इट विल, फॉर मी इट वॉज लाइक इन टू द ओके कैटेगरी, बिकॉज अगेन आई टोल्ड यू that is something I have rarely read, but still it is a kind of book that I might feel later as well. The next one is The Book Thief, a well-known book, and it's definitely a great book जिसको पढ़ने के लिए आपको बहुत सारे इमोशनल प्रोसेस करने पड़ेंगे. It's about again Nazi concentration camp, it's about family, it's about different culture, it's about understanding that little girl. Why the name is Book Thief, I'm not going to tell you here, because उसके बारे में एक again बहुत बड़ा वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. But it's really good book. It really tears in my eyes definitely आए थे. I was little bit confused, cried like baby and tears in my eyes, but it will go into the tears in eyes वाली category. Next one is A Little Life, might feel later, okay, or tears in eyes. Definitely if you are reading first time, स्टार्ट में लगेगा इट इज़ लाइक माइट फील लेटर, अभी कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा है. देन इट विल कम टू द ओके कैटेगरी. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ गेटिंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंटेंस. इन द मिडल ऑफ द बुक यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग टीयर्स इन योर आइज, एंड लास्ट 100 pages ऑफ दिस बुक लाइक यू आर गोना क्राई लाइक अ बेबी. लाइक लेट मी टेल यू, अगर आप लास्ट के 100 pages पे हो, देन it's definitely that you are going to cry. So it will go into this book, and it will go like close to Blue Nights, because these two books are like really close. I mean, follows the similar path, similar line. So ये दोनों book I will put into the same category. Next one is A Walk to Remember, another book by the same author, जिसने नोटबुक के बारे में talked about. Well, I have liked only the notebook book more than A Walk to Remember. Well, Walk to Remember is also good, but it's not that great, so I will put it into the might feel later wali category. A Man Called Orr. Okay, tears. This is okay book. Like इस पे movie भी है, you can go check out the movie as well. This book is damn good. I mean, movie is also good and book is also good. Book try to follow the plots. There are only few differences, but you will get tears, like kind of a happy tears you will get at the end of this book, and that's the reason I'm going to put it into here, because happy tears आना बहुत difficult चीज़ है, and ये book वो तुम्हें happy वाली feeling लेके जाएगी, like you are reading happy, and at the end of the day आपके tears मतलब आंखों में पानी भी आएगा, but that will be more of a on happier side. It ends with us. Well, controversial topic about this book. कुछ many people think this book is toxic. Majority of the people thinks this book is good. This book is talk about love and everything. But I really feel this book falls into the category of little bit of toxicity, and थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें कि जो इसमें toxic है. And at that time I didn't feel कि यार मुझे रोना वगैरह आएगा, so I will put it into the might feel later category. Next one is The Perk of Being Wallflower. Well, a really good book about the friendship, really good book about understanding friends, senior, junior, college life वगैरह हो गया. If you are into the college, then you will definitely cry like a baby. But if you are like above college, then you will able to feel those like, emotions, expression and everything. But you will get just a kind of tears in your eyes. So I will put it into the tears in eyes category. The next book is the reason I have added this book, because if you have watched the Harry Potter, if you have read the Harry Potter, then you should know which one this book is and which book I am talking about. It's none other than Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Yeah, you guessed it right. It's a book about Snape and उसकी जब reality, उसकी जो सच्चाई सामने जब पता चलती है, then you will start crying like a baby. So that's the reason I'm going to put it into this category. Let me know if you have read any of this book and what are your thoughts on this book. Do you really like any of this book? Apart from this, any other book that you have read and you have cried, let me know. I will try to read those books and I'll try to make another video on those books maybe in the future. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.